All right, so this is the front portion of a thumb brake holster for a 1911. And then here's the back side of it. So go like so. Just like that. So we cut out two pieces, inside and outside. And the same for the back. Create two sides. This is 4 5-ounce, and so when it's done, it'll be 8 10-ounce thick holster, and so that'll give it plenty of body to hold the firearm in place. So on this particular one, I've got the oak leaf design that someone was wanting, and I just literally found a picture of a oak leaf pattern with some acorns, and then laid this on there, positioned it where I wanted it. And you can see I drew the outline, and then this is the stitch line here, and then this is a stitch line here for the other side. So I'm literally going to cut this out and lay it on here, and then I'm only going to draw to the stitch line, or trace to the stitch line. So I've already taped the back. You can see the blue painter's tape here. And then I also rolled it up and stuck that to the actual table itself. And then take this down. Prepare to tape it down, I should say. And then case my leather. This is Herman Oak Veg Tan. I think it's one of the better tooling leathers out there. Let that soak in a little bit. And try to make sure that the tape doesn't come into contact with the leather. That's why I left a little bit of extra paper. And then try to keep your fingernails, mine aren't too bad, but they'll really mar this veg tan leather after it's been cased. And I just simply take my stylus, run-of-the-mill Craft Tool Pro stylus. It's got more of a bulb in there than this end, so this is the end I'm going to use. You just trace along. You don't have to press real hard. It leaves a good enough mark for you to see for carving with your swivel knife. The main thing is that once you start, it's hard to stop and then pick up again and know where it was that you left off.